Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. My name is Hanif Hamzah bin Amizan. Today, me and my friends will present about waste of fruits and vegetables during processing for coconut.
Nature seeing an increase of the waste production and waste disposal problem. Every day, about 30 million metric ton of the solid waste material is produced. According to the 83% of the national waste production, including of the agriculture waste, and 95% of the total waste dumping in the landfill. As the famous crop in Malaysia, coconut used for the various type of the food which are pride for our countries. According to the SAFA, over 10 million hectares of the land worldwide are used for the coconut production. And also, according to the Ganiron, coconut crop is a versatile crop which can be used for the various purposes because it has many benefits. Next, we go to the type of the waste. The first type of the waste is coconut shell. In the tropical region around the world, coconut shell are very useful for the agri industrial waste. Charcoal is usually made from the coconut shell. Open burning for the coconut shell is a common almost in all countries. It is contribute of significant of CO2 and methane emission into the atmosphere. According to the Azeta, that the reduce of moisture, higher or volatile content and the cheaper cost of the coconut shell make it better material for the pyrolysis. Second is coconut husk. Coconut husk is sometimes referred as the fiber. Coconut fiber can be found the coconut grow heavily around the tropical region, harvested in the excess of the 30 mm annually. According to the Gasper, coconut fiber is a high concentration of the lignin, which is heavy of the elastic, strong and resistant to the rotting. Third is coconut fund and leaf. According to the Barron state that the organic polymer lignin which gives the wood to the plant is abundant in the coconut leaf. Consisting of the lignin is of the plant coconut, also including in the coconut front, is considered in the selenium due to the inability lignin to dissolve in the waters. Next is the coconut wood. According to the NADA, in the rural area with the limited access to the cement, made the coconut wood used for the alternative structure for the house. The outer cement fiber is the high density properties similar to almost hardwood is a very high value for the flooring product.
And next I will discuss on the common practice of coconut waste management. So, waste management is the collection, transportation and processing of waste before it is disposed of. Coconut waste is generated as byproduct of coconut farming, and processing include husk, kernel, shell, leaf and timber. So there are 4 types of coconut waste management. First is vermicompost, second is recycling, third is landfilling, and fourth is incineration. Okay, first common practice of coconut waste management is vermicompost. Vermicomposting is a process of utilizing earthworm to break down organic matter and organic waste, decompose into odorless, humus-like material. It is an alternate method for recycling coconut waste into nutrient-rich compost, which is beneficial to plant and soil. Coconut husk was shown to be more stable and richer in plant available nutrient when vermicompost was varying volume of chicken and pig manure. So, vermicompost coconut waste offer important nutrient to agricultural land while reducing waste. Okay, second common practice is recycling. Recycling is a process where we transform something into a valuable product. Okay, recycling discarded material is one method of dealing with agricultural waste. Waste from agriculture is important energy and natural fertilizer that may be recycled to grow crops. Coconut fiber and shell can be used to make composite material for housing, such as concrete hollow block and partial replacement for sand on cement mortar properties. Recycled material help to reduce the waste generation and less negative influence on the environment.
The first of my point is land Landfilling. Landfilling is one of the most widespread and widely used municipal soil waste disposal method, since it's a cost-effective. Landfilling the waste is not acceptable waste treatment for burial alternative, but it is cheaper. Statistically, landfill collects 95% of Malaysian total garbage due to a lack of the suitable alternative. Coconut shell is a seriously waste disposable issue for the environment, as is the occupies around 90% of domestic volume that's being released in the environment. As a result, the rate of waste disposal is faster than natural degradation of waste. In a landfill, a length of a space of land has reached its limitation. Then, the other method is incineration. Incineration is a process of burning waste at the height of the temperature ratio oxidation. Coconut husks are really usually to discarded and burned directly to make a coconut husks and a shell can be used to make the biomass fuel and a cocoa. Coconut shell is ideal for the pyrolysis because of low as the contents, high of the volatile matter content, and low of the cost. Incineration of the coconut waste contribute significantly to the CO2 and methanol emission, harmful for one of the health and the environment.
Now, we proceed to the common value added product from coconut waste. There are 4 types of waste that being used, which are coconut shell, coconut husk, coconut leaves, and coconut stem. As for coconut shell, we can use the shell to make a handicraft with a specific function, depends on the usage of the product. This kind of product can be a source of income for our society, where we can sell it for about 5 to 40 ringgit. Okay, these are the example of handicraft products such as piggy bank, coconut bowl, clock, cutlery, and birds. Not only that, we also can use this coconut shell to make a charcoal. This charcoal is suitable for cooking fires, especially during barbecue. This product also can be used to generate income, where it can be sold for 4 ringgit per kilogram. Besides, coconut shell also can be used to produce coconut shell flour. This kind of product is very useful in industry as fillers in plastic, raw material in activated carbon industries, filler material for synthetic resin glues, and many more. The next common value added product is from coconut husk. The first product we can produce using coconut husk is coco peat. This kind of product is very suitable for planting media, especially for gardening and fertigation, since the coco peat is highly absorbent, can hold more than 30% water, and for sure, it is reusable. The second product can be produced is coconut coir fiber. Not only that, the interesting part is where this product can be used to create the other types of product. These are the example of the product can be produced. As we can see, they are rope, brush, floor mats, fishing nets, mattress, and car cushions. The next common value added product is from coconut leaves. The first product is broom. For sure, every house in Malaysia have this product. Midrib of the leaves will be used to produce a broom since it is strong and durable. This product is very suitable for sweeping and cleaning rough ground, fallen leaves, and many more. The second product can be made by weaving the coconut leaves. Instead of burning the coconut leaves, we also can use it to make a product. These coconut leaves can be weaved into a specific design and product, depends on the function and use. Okay, based on the pictures, this is the result of weaving the coconut leaves. As we can see, they are hat, basket, fan, bag, ketupat, and roof. The last product can be made is by using coconut stem. First of all, cocoa wood is the processed stem fiber of the coconut palm, where it has a high density stem fiber which makes it similar to the hardwood timbers. Therefore, it is suitable to produce any type of product such as furniture, plywood, flooring, and many more. Okay, these are the example of products made from the coconut stem, such as furniture, cutlery, flooring, and plywood.
For ages, coconut has been a mainstay in diets of practically all Polynesians and many Asians. It is used in cuisine, as a flavoring, and in drinks. In some research, coconut oil also was being processed to make a machinery oil for industrial sectors. According to Aruja Knight et al. In 2015, coconut also may be extracted to various kinds of oil products such as foods, beverages, fibers, construction, and building materials, charcoals, and oil. The naturality and versatility of coconut milk is the main reason why it is often being consumed in Asian and Indian cuisine because the liquid extract contains oil-water emulsion. According to Navin in 2019, coconut milk that has been processed into powder form through dehydration process can extend the milk expiry. It also consumes less storage and space for packaging purposes. Nira or inflorescence sap of coconut and other sap-producing plants is a nutritious and healthful drink. The phloem sap contained in the coconut extracted from the coconut plant's pedix. It contains a lot of carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, vitamins, antioxidants, and volatiles. According to K.B. Heba et al. In 2013, coconut sap or Nira is good for digestive system, promoting clean urination and can prevent jaundice. There is a lot of products that can be extracted and produced from coconut sap or Nira such as coconut sugar, coconut jaggery, and coconut honey. According to Sangamitra et al. In 2013, coconut oil is derived from matured coconuts taken from the coconut palm's kernel or flesh. It includes high saturated fat, which slows oxidation and make it resistant to rancidity, lasting up to 2 years without rotting. Certain fatty acids and derivatives of coconut oil have been shown to have negative impacts on the inactivation of different microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast, fungus, and envelope viruses. Mechanical extraction techniques are often used to get coconut oil. Nowadays, lubricants are sourced from petroleum. These products may harm the environment and biodiversity because it contains non-biodegradable contents. Many awareness programs and strict regulation have been implemented in favor of sustaining the health of environment. According to Jagadish et al. In 2016, because of its high quantity of saturated fatty acids, coconut oil has a higher oxidative resilience than other vegetable oils. Furthermore, due to its intrinsic characteristics, coconut has enormous promise as a raw material in total loss lubricant applications such as metal working fluids or MWF and greases. Coconut oil has enormous potential in the market of lubricant, particularly as MWF and grease, which not only add value but also assist to comply with environmental standards.
In conclusion, as the world population increasing, it is important to improve the fruits and vegetable waste management to prevent more food wastage globally. As we can see, the value added product from the coconut waste give a lot of benefit by reducing the food scarcity and environmental pollution as a source of income and many more. Therefore, there is a need of research and development to develop a new practice of waste management to create more value-added products which are friendly, cheaper, and sustainable. That's all from us. Thank you.